They're so easy to install, even I can do it. We have these lovely can lights that I purchased, I don't know how many years ago, but some of them have stopped working. This one doesn't work at all. That one over there is flashing weirdly. And then over here we have issue. So we're gonna replace those today. I'm only going to replace the ones that are not working with these LUXRITE downlight. They're 4-inch, and I bought a 6-pack because there are 6 that are not functioning right now. Part of the reason I purchased the ones that are in the ceiling now is the ability to change the color, but you can do this simply by sliding this on the bottom of each of the lights. You can see there's a little arrow there, so I'm going to put it on 40 because I don't want it like super bright. In order to get this down, you just give it a pull. Whoa! Well, that wasn't secure at all. Ours have this little orange clip, which makes it super easy. We are not going to need this additional piece, so we just take this part off. So we want this piece to plug into the orange part in the ceiling. This is all we needed to do. I should probably turn it off first. Oh, that is very bright. Okay, so this is the bright, and then if we can change the color on the back. I don't like that color. That's actually not too bad. We're gonna go one down though. And then we just tuck all of this up into the ceiling, give it a shove, and that's it. Super easy. This one is also weirdly flashing. So all we gotta do is pull it down, disconnect it, turn it to 40. Yeah, it's okay. Tuck all of that up in there, click it into place, and it's done. There you have it, all done.